Welcome back, everybody, deep in the heart of Texas with my friends Susie and Paul Semick. Today we are gonna make Texas
tequila
T-bone. Let's give it a try. First things first, everybody, check out these gigantic Texas USDA certified T-bone steaks. We're gonna go down with a little bit of olive oil. This is gonna help with our sear later. So a little bit of extra virgin olive oil on these T-bones. These things are gigantic. When you're in Texas, you gotta do it big, and that's what we're doing here today. And next we're gonna switch things up 100%. We're going in with Blackstone's tequila lime seasoning. I have never ever used this on a steak. Am I losing my mind? But we're going with a Southwestern here, like a Texas tequila theme, and this is just what we need. Up next, we're gonna make a delicious tequila lime sauce for the steak. So finishing drizzle, we're gonna start out with some crema, a little bit of crema. Just kind of make this to taste as much as you need for your steaks. Get some of that fresh lime juice in there like so. Some cilantro, some fresh cilantro. I'm gonna try to mince this up really small here. Into my crema mixture, followed by some Blackstone tequila lime once again, and a little bit of salt, Texas-sized tequila, a couple tablespoons of tequila in there, and I'll mix that up. So there's our sauce. I'm going to give that a little bit of a try. Actually, perfect, I think. I can really taste that tequila and that salt. Paul's got the Blackstone heated up on high heat, baby. Let me tell you what, we're here in Texas today where you can see I'm probably starting to break a sweat. And you always want to have high heat when you're searing up a steak. I mean, high as possible. If you can get to the... Thank you, actually. Oh, that feels good. You always want to have, I'm sounding like a southerner now, you always want to have your griddle as hot as possible when you're searing up, seafood or steaks. If you can get your griddle at 450, fine. If you can get it to 500, 600, even the better. So, there we go. Steaks, look at those gorgeous steaks. They've been marinating here at room temperature for a while. And we're gonna put those straight down on a blazing hot Blackstone griddle. My old friend, the garlic paste. I'm gonna rub a little bit of this on top, okay? Soybean oil with garlic, okay? We're gonna go in for the flip. Oh, baby, wow. Look. Oh, wow. That's what you want right there. So you have to have high heat, folks, right there. A lot of people, they put their steaks down at 200 degrees and they sit and they float around in a bloody pond of yuckiness. But that's what you want, that's flavor. Look at that T-bone right there. Now we're gonna go in here and just grab these steaks. We're gonna put them on the sides. Gonna sear up the side a little bit. Oh yeah, look at that. Just gonna sear up those last couple edges on these. Brand new Blackstone warming rack right here. I'm gonna set this down on the griddle. And the warming rack is a lifesaver when you're doing stuff like steak and you don't wanna burn them, right? Look how gorgeous these look. Okay, the last thing I wanna do is overcook these steaks. So we're gonna put these up on the warming rack and we can grab our thermometer and test them, see where we're at. 134. I think that's about perfecto on that one. Tequila lime crema. So we're gonna go ahead and we got two of them down here. We're going family style, I guess, today. We're gonna drizzle this on top of the steaks. Think of this as like, the Tex-Mex version of blue cheese on a steak. That's what I'm thinking of when I make this here. So that's what we got going on. We can set a little bit of this aside if we want to dip our steak into it right there. Take a look at that. Let's
Give it a try. Hurry up.
All right, so Paul wants me to just trim this whole piece off the bone right here.
Oh my gosh.
Let's go ahead and do it right there. You know, normally we just eat this thing.
Hurry
There
up.
we go.
Just got me a piece here. Jeez.
There we go.
Let's give it a try. That sauce is delicious.
Let's get another one and dip it in the sauce. And
Oh man.
I'm loving that sauce, that tequila.
Here, sauce me. Sauce me, Todd. Sauce me.
There you go. In Indiana, St. Elmo.
St. Elmo.
And they do a famous horseradish steak sauce. This reminds me of that. Again, we're taking it Tex-Mex, we're taking it Southwestern with the tequila and the lime, but this is like Texas's version. At the end, we didn't know if there was enough salt, and Susie said add a little extra salt, because you know when it comes to limes and tequila and salt, people have their own combination. So wow.
I'm going to let him talk. I'm going to eat.
That's so good. What's more to say, friends? It's very simple, and the steak tastes delicious. I love it. A little bit different, you know, with that tequila lime seasoning seared up than the traditional barbecue rub. But that sauce is where it's at. So this has been a blast hanging out here in Texas today, having a blast with Susie and Paul. You notice they said Susie and Paul, not Paul and Susie. So until next time, everybody, this is Todd and Susie and Paul. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the Texas
Tequila.
T-bone.